welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Jatera Brianne and it is nail day. I DIY'd this custom press-on set using all Amazon products. So let's get into my tips and tricks on doing nails at home. For all my newbies, make sure that you are subscribed and check out my description box for my Amazon storefront to find everything in today's tutorial. We're going to start off by taking care of our natural nails by filing them. Fun fact, my skin tends to grow with my nails, so I keep mine short, but file yours to your preferred length. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, that's kind of crazy, okay? And you should change that right about now. Thank you. So this is going to be tip number 1. Use this tool to push your cuticles back, okay? Doing so will ensure that not only your nail tips will adhere to your nail beds, but they will also look like you grew these nails yourself, okay? So important. Then remove any dead skin. I like to use the mini cheese grater. That's what I call this because I've cut myself using the snipping tool, but that's neither here nor there. Just remove that old skin. This is going to be tip number 2. Buff your natural nails. This gives your nails texture and gives the tips something to grip onto. It promotes the longevity of your sets, so do not skip this step, okay? Now, after all of that nail prep, you should have a lot of dust particles on your nail. Remove that with alcohol. This is going to be tip number 3. Your hands need to be clean because we're about to glue on your nail, and you don't want to glue down any unwanted dust particles. And this is also subtle foreshadowing because I ended up having a dust particle problem at the end, but I'm going to show you how to fix that, so make sure you stick around to the end. Now, this is the only time being dry is a good thing, okay? So tip number 4 is to go in with a nail dehydrator. This is critical, okay, girl? The drier the nails, the stronger the sets. I also recommend following this up with a primer. It's not mandatory, but I've heard it helps, so don't do as I do, but do as I say, girl. Go get you a nail primer. Now, tip number 5 is for my impatient girlies. Get you some Beetles nail tips. Mine are in the almond and medium shape and length. Get what other shape and length you like, but regardless of what you choose, you don't have to shape your nails yourself. So this is going to save you so much time and money because it's 500 nail pieces in here. Like, hello? Now, you need to screenshot tip number 6. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Go buy the Kiss Pink Gel nail glue. If you don't remember anything from this video, remember this glue. It's my holy grail, the only glue I use. It's affordable, it's quick drying, it's amazing. I literally cannot rave about it enough. Now, tip number 7 has many parts, so I'm gonna hold y'all hand through this, okay? The first is to use the edge of a table to apply your nails. Then cover your nail with glue, but don't put any at the base, okay? Stick with me. Now drag your nail tip so it accumulates some glue and then apply your nails. This way your nail bed gets glue without it getting drowned in product. The great thing about this glue also is that if you apply too much, you can simply wipe it away or you can file it away. Apply some pressure, and with this method, your nails should last you 3 to 4 weeks. I'm not lying, okay? If I'm lying, I'm flying. You can literally check timestamps across my social media. My nails be lasting. I do not be lying to y'all. Now, tip number 8 is to file your nails to match your fingers. Sizing is really important because if your nails are too small or too big, they will pop off. Then I like to buff them to give the nail texture for my nail polishes. I don't really know if it helps or not, but I do it. And again, we don't want to cure any dust, so clean your hands with either water or alcohol. Now, I ain't gonna lie, these Gaio, or however you pronounce it, these Gaio polishes are so nice. The set comes with so many colors, including a base, a top coat, and a matte coat. So tip number 9 is to always apply a base coat and cure it for 30 seconds. I followed this up with color 1442. It's a sheer pink. It's super pretty, and I have been using it for all of my sets. And then I'm going to use Nail Addict's Black Addict for my main nail color, and I will be hand painting my designs with this nail brush. I'm like over here getting super excited because this is my favorite part. And don't worry, if you're not used to hand painting, I'm gonna give you some tips to get you through it. So as y'all saw, every finger has its own design. For my thumb, I'm doing a simple Frenchie. So tip number 10 is to apply the polish on the tip, then use a thin brush to paint the Frenchie. For my beginners, you can use stencils or even a nail stamp. I cure this for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply my glossy top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. If you are concerned about UV rays from the lamp, get you some gloves, girl. It's simple as that. Now, I'm warning y'all, my pointer finger is going to be ugly. Like, I'm telling you the truth, it's ugly. I wanted to try the airbrush design without having an airbrush tool, so I followed another girl's tutorial. She said to use a matte coat, cure it for 30 seconds, use an eyeshadow with a dense brush to apply the product, and then top it with some top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. Like, I don't know, it came out right, so I'm not gonna say that she lied or her tutorial didn't work, but this shit was ugly to me. But I digress. Let's move on. Now, tip number 11 is to get you some blooming gel to try those trendy nail designs that we've all been seeing. This one is going to be a crocodile French tip. It's so stinking cute. So first things first, apply some of the blooming gel like you're doing a French tip. Make sure to apply a thin layer and do not cure. Then get a dotting tool or use the bottom of your brush like I did and apply small dots. So you're going to do 4 down the center and then 3 on both of the sides. Over time, these dots will bloom into a really cute nail design. Then you're going to want to cure it for 30 seconds, apply your top coat, and cure for another 60. Now, my ring finger has the cutest design. I can't wait to do a set using only this design on every nail, but you're going to basically be drawing the curve of a French tip downwards. Then you're going to also draw one upwards, connecting it in the center and rounding it out at the tip, okay? Girl, play this part back if you need to, because that's really all I got for you, babe. Not gonna lie. That's all I got, Bookie. Take it or leave it. My pinky is going to be giving a tie-dye effect. It's super cute and it has the same method as the crocodile design. So it's just on the perimeter in the center of the nail though. You really are just going to be dotting dots. Cure for 30, apply your top coat, cure for 60, and now you have a fly ass nail design that you did all on your own. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, get you some rhinestones or some chrome powder. Today I use these cute chrome heart crosses. So tip number 12 is going to be get the Markart glue, or however you pronounce it, when applying your gems, because it's really easy to work with and it's super strong. I have never lost a rhinestone, okay? Never lost a rhinestone. And I'm not gonna lie, this nail just keeps getting uglier by the minute, girl, I swear. I tried to make it look better by adding some of the glue since I didn't have a round gem. Girl, I cured it for 30 seconds so it can get hard, and then I applied some chrome powder. It did not come out right, but you know, I wasn't going to sit here and redo that whole nail, so I just took my L in peace. And just when you thought I was done with the tips and tricks, I know y'all see that I do have some unwanted dust particles under my nails. And like I said earlier, I know how to get rid of it, okay? And it's with cuticle oil, or really any oil at all, because this is face oil. But my final tip is to massage some oil into your cuticles to really get in there, okay? It will find a way to seep under your nail and add moisture to the dust, and it will remove everything and leave you with such a clean and cute set. So I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. Again, every single item I use is from Amazon and it is linked in my description box below. Please give this video a like and leave some comments because I love talking to y'all. So leave comments, questions, whatever you may have, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, mamas. Mwah.